Hello, this is Pat Walker with Mission Winners. I want to go over stocks you should have on your watch list this week. You have to just temper it with this statement. The action is rough right now. I encourage all of you, please err to the side of caution. Be a little bit more conservative in your entries as far as share size. Don't force it. If it's not there, good price action, backed by volume, have the discipline to wait. A lot of people have a mindset that, oh, just because the market's open for business, I've got to do business. That's not true. Wait for your setups. Have the discipline to wait for your setups. I taught IBD classes, IBD meetup for 12 years, and I'll just share this with you. What you're looking at right here can quickly become a video slot machine. Make sure that doesn't happen. Not trying to sound negative, just pointing out, there's some risk in the market. Control it. A lot of money is made in a good trend, good uptrend. We've got the patience to wait for it and the discipline. So here we go. QLD comes down to the 200-day. Now, that's the purple line. If this market takes off, QLD, they own a ton. Well, they're the NASDAQ 100. Has a potential to lift, taking out Friday's highs. But it needs to do it with good volume and good price action and a good market. If you don't have those variables met, don't do it. It's that simple. What's the high on Friday? Right there, 55.75. 55.80 could be a buy. But again, if the market's okay, there's number one. Number two, Intel. Now Intel had good numbers and a good report here, a good response in a crummy market. Look what this did on Friday on a pickup in volume. Could this take out the tops of this bar right here? The high here is 36.38. Potential buy would be 36.40. If the market's okay, all right? That's a big if the market's acting okay. Continue onward. Here's Weatherford. This was really good to us right back here. This was nice. So now it's basing here, resting here on the 50-day. Could this get a bounce off the 50-day? Yes. What would we need to see? The constraints. A, good market action, good NASDAQ market action. I'll be more specific on all these. Good NASDAQ market action, QLD, that's what we started with, and good price and volume action on the stock. What would be a potential entry? Well, you could buy some, take it. By the way, you see slight volume pickup on Friday? That's good. Taking out the tops of this bar right here was 93.68, 93.70. Could be a buy. There you go. In a good market. Microsoft, you go, what? Well, this had, Meta, I'm sorry. Meta had earnings and it gapped down. We weren't in it. We owned it here and locked it in and avoided this, all right? Nothing to do with it right now, okay? However, maxlist stock, if this market heats up and Meta could take out the tops of this bar, that would be a very aggressive buy. The high on that bar is 299.31, 299.40 on Meta. That is an aggressive buy, folks. I can't stress that enough, all right? This is what I used to tell people. What you're looking at here can quickly become a video slot machine. Don't let that happen to you, all right? Please. Continue onwards. Microsoft. Microsoft lifted up on heavy volume and then gives it right back. It's the poster child of the market. Note, it has support right here. It was up on good volume here, by the way. Down on less volume, down on less volume. Could this take out the tops of this bar? 336.80 on Microsoft. Could be a spot. If the market's okay. And look for good volume as it's pushing through that pivot. Where would you see the volume? You look at the daily, the hourly, and the 30 minutes. See if volume's coming into it on those lesser time frames. No volume, no buy. That's simple. Continue onwards. Amazon. Amazon reported good numbers, okay, and gapped up and closed up on the day on a pickup in volume. It's a max list stock, folks. Could be a potential buy if the market's okay at 130.10.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.